Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I want to show you how to make these turkey lettuce wraps. Absolutely delicious and healthy for you. The ingredients you're going to need is 1 pound of ground turkey, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of crushed red pepper, 1/2 cup of brown rice that's already been cooked, 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 8-ounce can of your chopped chestnuts. You just use an 8-ounce can. I buy them sliced and dice them down into these pieces. 1 large red bell pepper. As you can see, I've used a small dice on these to chop down this red bell pepper. 1 tablespoon of minced fresh ginger, very important to give excellent flavor for this. 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons oil, 1 head of Bibb lettuce. You want to rinse it really well. The toppings you're going to need is scallions. Some of you may know them as spring onions. They look like this. You're going to rinse them and cut them down into these small pieces. 1 medium carrot that I've shredded. This is the size you're looking for. And of course, some chopped fresh cilantro. Or if you want to use mint, basil, or any other herb, that's fine with me. I'm going to leave that up to you. Let me show you how we're going to get this started. Over here to the oven top, I'm adding the ground turkey over medium-high heat. We're going to break this down using a spatula until we've got these lovely brown crumbles of turkey. Add your oil along with the ginger. I've been cooking my ground turkey for about 6 minutes. Whoops! And then in that last 1 minute, I just added the garlic. We're adding those seasonings. Ooh, that cumin smells so delicious. Add your chicken broth. This is going to keep that turkey nice and moist. Stir in all those diced bell peppers. And those water chestnuts. This is definitely a lovely low-fat meal with your ground turkey and all your different vegetables. Add your cooked rice. It's going to give you a little bit of carbs. You're not going to get much, but just enough to give you lots of energy. We're going to add that hoisin sauce for just some fantastic flavor. Heat this through about 2 or 3 minutes on medium-low heat. Smells so fantastic. Here's that delicious turkey filling, and I've went ahead and rinsed off my Bibb lettuce. Oh my gosh, and it's still nice and warm. I'm gonna add a few spring onions here along with some carrots. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fantastic. Low in fat, healthy for you, perfect for these spring and summer seasons coming up. We're gonna give it a little roll, just like this. Let's bite into it and see what it's like. Wow. These are absolutely fantastic. I can taste the cumin, the oregano, that ginger is fantastic with that little bit of garlic. So delicious, y'all, and healthy for you. Hope y'all give these a try. Ooh, there was just a hint of that crushed red pepper coming through. Makes these absolutely perfectly delicious. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you later.